So more than ever, people are working from home, especially since around March. This whole COVID-19 thing has kept people at home a lot. And with that said, the cars aren't moving like they used to. They are sitting in the driveway. Now with today's gasoline, there is 10% ethanol alcohol added to the fuel. Some places it's 15% or more. Now it's real important from time to time that you treat your fuel with a product that's designed to help with ethanol issues. I'm going to talk about a few that you should maybe check out. Hold on. Okay, here's 3 fuel additives that I've had a great degree of success with, and there are many out there. You know, as long as you buy something that's designed to treat gasoline with ethanol issues, you should be all set. But you got to remember to do it. Now, first one is Seafoam. I've talked about this in the past, where I've used it in motor oil to actually loosen up carbon deposit on piston rings, and it's helped vehicles with oil consumption increase compression. This can also be added to your gas, and it will stabilize the fuel as well. This stuff right here I picked up at Walmart a long time ago, and it's really great stuff. I actually had a weed whacker that was running horribly, and I just dumped a capful in there. I had to get my yard weed whacked, and lo and behold, it just ran so much better. It's a good idea to treat your fuel and your small engine equipment as well, more importantly. This bottle will treat up to 80 gallons of gas. Could you dump this whole bottle in your car and not hurt it? Yeah, you could do that. Here's a really good one right here, Startron. It's an enzyme fuel treatment, and what it does is it helps keep that alcohol in suspension by avoiding phase separation. It can remove gum and carbon varnish deposits. It stabilizes the gas. It can improve fuel economy, and if you get that pinging noise uphill with bad gas, that can help with that as well. This particular bottle will treat up to 48 gallons of gas. Could you dump this whole bottle in your fuel tank and not cause harm to your vehicle? Absolutely you could. Anyway, if your car is going to be sitting a lot, or even if it isn't, you should really treat your fuel today. It's going to save you some headaches down the road. If you look over here at this Honda Element I have in here, I worked on this car last year. A couple of my senior customers own this vehicle. They have only put 600 miles on this car. They have never treated the fuel. And I can tell you, I know they haven't driven it or added gas for probably a year, because when I opened their fuel door lid, there was a big old hornet's nest in there waiting for me. So anyway, I'm going to have to resolve this one. I'm likely going to have to take all the fuel out of it and put fresh fuel in it and unclog some injectors there. But anyway, until next time, check out these products. If you're not stabilizing your fuel or treating it, you should probably start. Until next time, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy what I'm doing. Have a great evening.